was too many people here. I couldn't really get down. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Another fun-filled day for us. Going back out to Castle. I loved it so much out there. I figure I'm gonna go out there again. There's a couple things I want to go. Well, actually, there's one thing I definitely want to check out. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. It's an old snowmobile like shack that people can use in the wintertime when they're snowmobiling in the backcountry. Has a little fire, wood burning fireplace in it. A few other things, seats. You can hang out, have a fire there, whatever. Yeah, it should be fun. So I'm gonna drive out there. I'm just driving right now. The weather looks like it might not be very good. The clouds are very ominous right now. It's calling for a little bit of rain this morning, and it's going to be a little bit of a chilly day, like 14. Overnight low of like 4. So I'll put the Fahrenheit conversion down here. Yeah, it could be a little chilly night, but that's okay. Gets me out, have some fun, and I'll see you there. Hey everyone, we made it to that little snowmobile shelter. This shelter was dedicated to a group out of Pincher Creek that died in a rescue operation. So yeah, you can, I think you can stay here. You can it's just like a shelter where you can go keep warm. I think you can build a fire. Let's go see if it's open. I haven't been in this in a while, so I don't know what to expect. Yeah, sorry about the echo, but it's pretty alright. Got some picnic tables in here, chalkboard. Yeah. A little bit of wood that people have cut up. And then this is a Lost Creek safety shelter. Built by volunteers and stuff. Yeah, it's pretty cool in here. Yeah, someone left their glove, must have been snowmobiling or whatever. There's a few things in here. Wonder if the lights work. I do not know. Maybe. No, I don't think they do. Unless there's a light switch, but I do not see one at all. No. Alright. I just thought I'd show this place to you. It's kinda cool in here. But I need to find a camp spot. I'm not too sure where I'm gonna camp yet. I don't think I'm gonna camp at the same spot as I was before. I might find a different spot. I will see you then. Hey everyone, yeah, I know, I'm not back at the campsite, but I took a little detour so I could give you a little bit better look at this waterfall today. I know, I'm recycling, but last time there was too many people here, I couldn't really get down. This place is pretty awesome. Lots of people swim here in the summertime, but it looks like it's pretty turbulent right now, so lots of water flowing. So, all right, I'm gonna head out. I just wanted to stop by here. I haven't found my campsite yet. Probably gonna stay on the front side of Castle. For some reason today, my gut's just turning being in the backcountry there. So I'm gonna stay close to Castle Bridge campsite and find something. They're pretty nice sites. They're not terrible. So, all right, I'll see you when we get there. Hey everyone, finally made it to the campsite. Got my tent all set up and my awning. Awning's gonna come down tonight. It is pretty windy. Yeah, it's a pretty nice spot. Some trees right here. Got a fire pit. I think the fire bans are done. I can have fire, so it's kind of a bummer. I could have brought some firewood today, but not a big deal. Got the new table. That thing is pretty awesome. I'll tell you a little bit about it later. And my hammock chair. Love that thing. I highly recommend one. They had it at Costco right in the season. Me and my girlfriend picked up two right off the bat. Gone. Like that quick. Those things are like, I would say $160 on Amazon. I've looked. I'm sure they're probably far better quality, but come on. I could buy almost 3 for that much. So, all right, I'm gonna just hang out for a bit. Weather's not all that great. It's gonna be like a high of 10, and I think a low of like 7 or 8 tonight. So I'm just gonna hang out for a bit, try to stay warm. I got my jacket on. I had to put that on because I was getting a little chilly. And I will see you here for Beer 30. You betcha. See you in a bit. Yeah, baby. Well, I had another one of these from the last time I went to BC. I wanted to get out here early, and the liquor stores don't open till 10:30, so I just grabbed this one out of my fridge. So there we go. Why do these ones always Want to explode. Want to explode. I do not know why. Just this one. Happy beer 30. Yeah. I've been just hanging out. I got my tent all situated. I'm gonna try. I might. I got these 2 memory foam pillows with my tent. I'm gonna try one out tonight. I highly suspect that it's not gonna be very good. It's pretty small and it's not very thick, and me and my neck don't get along very well with shit like that. So yeah. Girlfriend and I picked up a couple of these new these tables. Got them at Costco, $70. They fold up, slide them in a bag. Awesome. For multiple years, well, since I've met my girlfriend, we've always camped with a 6-foot table, one of those ones that just fold in half, and it's kind of a pain in the butt. It just doesn't fit anywhere. It's a nightmare. At least this one, it folds up, slides into a bag, and it's way less. We got 2 of them, and we'll use it for games or vice versa. Put them together, whichever way you want to go. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah. Brought some chicken for supper and one of those rice packets. I'm gonna cook that in the next little while here. But I think until then, I'm just gonna hang out, man. Oh, that's awesome. Cut my finger, have no idea how I did it. Good times. Yeah, I'm just gonna hang out. It's chilly. It's chilly. I may hop up into my tent and just watch a movie for a bit and relax. My back's a little sore until supper. I don't think I'm gonna cook film too much of supper, but I might be around. Poop today. I feel a lot more comfortable in this spot. A lot more. I don't know what it was in the back, and it was, my guts were just flipping. Basically telling me it wasn't a good idea. I don't know why. Had a skunk roll through this campsite just a little while ago. I'm glad he kept his distance and just rolled through, because that would not be fun. Alright, I think I'm gonna just drink my beer. I might hop up in my tent in a bit here and watch a bit of a movie. I forgot to download any movies whatsoever. And then I might see you at something time. We'll see. We'll see. Alright? I'll see you later. Hey everyone, I decided to make supper after all. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's pretty peaceful out here. There's people looking for their kids. Just a little ways away from me, I can hear them talking every once in a while, but other than that,
It's pretty good. Pretty good. Just started out alright. Tried a different rice. It's Korean style. It's not terrible. Probably way too much. I'll probably never eat all this. But anyways. I'm going to eat this and then I'm going to hop in the tent. Or maybe, actually, I'll probably hang out for a little while longer. It's still pretty flippin' early. And I totally forgot to download some movies, so I have one. I have one movie. I don't even have any on my phone, which is kind of a bummer. So, yeah, I think I'm going to have to hang out after I clean this all up. And, yeah, pretty much watch the one movie and then go to bed. All right, I'll see you then. In my tent. It's starting to get chilly, and it's actually quite a bit warmer in here than it is out there because of the wind. But hey, I'm gonna watch a movie, the only one I have, which kind of really bummed about it. Yeah, and I think I'm halfway done it. So this is only gonna be good for a little while, and then it might be an early bedtime. Who knows? Who flippin' knows? I put my awning away, and I put my table and chair away. That way, it doesn't blow away at night because it's kind of windy, and that way I don't have that to put away in the morning. I can make my coffee. While I'm making my coffee, I can put stuff away. So, yeah. All right, but I'm gonna watch this movie, and I will see you in the morning. Hey everyone, good morning. I regret all my life's decisions. I didn't bring enough stuff. I was pretty cold last night. My sleeping bag, it says it's a 0, but it definitely isn't a 0. So I didn't sleep very good. Oh well. I'm in my truck right now. I decided not to make a coffee. I'm just gonna stop and grab one at the town on the way out. It's about 20 minutes away, give or take. It's kind of chilly and I'm still really cold. I'm going to close it out here. If you like these videos, please like, comment, subscribe. That would be awesome. And if you want to see any more videos like this, they'll be right here. See you on the next one.